Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix kernel32.dll errors in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So this error usually happens due to corrupted file systems, files, outdated drivers, or faulty programs. But fixing this will restore system stability and prevent all of those random crashes here and there. So you need to go first to the CMD over here. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Command Prompt. Make sure to run it as the admin. And what you need to do is type SFC scan now. Okay, so it might not already work in my end because I've already got everything in here, but it will show and scan your PC for any corrupted files. And after it hit 100%, it will show that uh, either they have not detected any corrupted files, or in most cases, since this is showing up, it will show that uh, it has detected and successfully repaired corrupted files in your Windows 10 or 11. So you can simply refresh. You can even restart if you wish to. And this will solve all of those random crashes, especially in gaming or just normal browsing. So I hope you found this video very helpful.